Hello and welcome to my channel Live the Present. Today I'll make prawn malaikari with tiger sea prawns. It's a Bengali style prawn recipe. Prawn does not take long time to cook, so if you are a prawn lover, you should try out this yummy recipe. If you have an Instagram account, please follow my profile livethepresent.priyanka. There I upload my travel, cooking, home decor related pics and short video clips. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon with a new exciting video.